Science is a photo and video competition in which Florida Atlantic's faculty, staff, students, and postdoctoral fellows were invited to submit images capturing moments where scholarly research and art converge. Each piece stems from various disciplines across the FAU community and was selected by an interdisciplinary team of judges for its aesthetic appeal, scientific or technical significance, and ability to inspire creativity. In addition to featuring the remarkable images and videos of the 13 winners and 15 honorable mentions, objects and specimens associated with the art are also on display, offering the public a deeper understanding of the cutting-edge research underway at FAU. Importantly, this exhibition also celebrates Florida Atlantic achieving the R1 Very High Research Spending and Doctorate Production University designation from the Carnegie Classification of Institutions of Higher Education. Its highly coveted status is the most prestigious research accolade in the country. Art of Science represents a unique conversation between artists and scientists about the nature of art and new ways of seeing research, through a lens that honors both fields as expressions of human creativity, capturing the world in compelling and novel ways. Senior Director of Research Communications at Florida Atlantic, Dr. Cami Clark, said that the Art of Science competition offers a fresh perspective on the concept of research, showing us that academic inquiry can be and is rooted in creativity. She also reminds us that we celebrate the art of science because these images are beautiful and can lead to significant advancement in our understanding of the world. Dr. Clark states that the top 3 winners offer extreme close-ups of organisms that wouldn't be top of mind for beauty: weeds, fish embryos, and a mouse cerebellum, but the resulting images, however, are a kaleidoscope of shapes and colors that instantly spark curiosity and urge the viewers to lean in and say, "What is that?" Speaking of our winners, our first place winner for this year's Art and Science exhibition is Dr. Jacob Francis from the Charles E. Schmidt College of Science. This piece showcases the quickness with which weeds spread. These often unwanted intruders can continue to pop up despite our best efforts to remove them. While they might not be the most welcome guests, Dr. Francis thinks that weeds like the Richardia grandiflora deserve a little credit for their ability to survive and even defend themselves. When you look at them under a microscope, you might be surprised by how beautiful and intricate they are. What seems like an ordinary plant at first transforms into a world of mesmerizing colors and fascinating details. Research in the Francis Pollination Ecology Lab at Florida Atlantic investigates ecological consequences of variations in plant traits such as these crystal structures. Dr. Francis states that, in a broader sense, it shows us how small details in nature can have a significant impact on the ecosystem around us. This type of research helps scientists manage invasive species, improve agricultural practices, or even create more sustainable ways to deal with pests. Plus, it's a fascinating glimpse into the complex and clever ways plants have evolved to survive and reproduce. Our second place winner is Addison Manofsky from the Harriet L. Watkins Honors College. Her piece, titled Transgenesis, shows us the artificial introduction of a modified gene into an organism. Manofsky, a pre-med student, captured this image of 3 transgenic zebrafish embryos 72 hours post-fertilization. The transgenic zebrafish imaged for this project express fluorescent markers that allow cells with specific active genes to glow. The resulting colors are invaluable for studying various cell types, protein expression, and biological processes. The third place winner is Marianne Charlene Monet from the Charles E. Schmidt College of Science. Her piece on mice cerebellums showcases great advancement in microscope technology and how it enables leaps in neuroscience discovery, giving us an inside view of the remarkable beauty of the brain. Monet, a doctoral student at Florida Atlantic Stiles Nicholson Brain Institute under the mentorship of Dr. Ning Guan, studies how the immune system affects the brain during childhood and how these effects can influence behavior and choices later on in life. Monet believes that this image showcases the beauty of the brain. The epifluorescence microscope was essential to Monet's investigation because it allowed her to quickly focus and scan brain regions, saving valuable time during imaging sessions. Its high-resolution magnification can capture both broad and detailed views of a brain structure, exemplified by her award-winning submission. Let's take a look at the remaining works within this exhibition. This includes past winners from the previous Art of Science exhibitions, as well as honorable mention and People's Choice. All of the works in this exhibition show how the art of science is more than just a contest. It is a wide-ranging collection of research from all colleges at the university. We congratulate all participants in this show and cannot wait to see where they continue with their research. For more information about each photo in this show, scan this QR code or follow the link down below.